Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Are you guys big fans of Office Space? Have you seen the movie? It's an instant classic. You will love it, especially if you like programming, you like to use computers, iPhones. It's a must. So in that movie there's a scene where basically they're talking about something called a rounding error. Let's take a look.
Alright, so when the subroutine compounds the interest, right, it uses all these extra decimal places that just get rounded off. So we simplified the whole thing and we round them all down and just drop the remainder into an account that we owe.
So in that movie clip, the rounding error was a boo-boo that they did on purpose. Here, I want to show you a boo-boo that is made unintentionally because of the programmer's mistake. So I created two classes. One is called double bank account and the other one is called decimal bank account. This is written in C#, by the way. The double bank account allows you to deposit your money using double and then returns the balance. The decimal bank account allows you to deposit your money using decimal and returns your balance. So let's see what happens. We know that 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 1, right? So we're going to be depositing 1/6 6 times for both the double and decimal accounts. And then we're going to get balance from both of them and let's see what happens, right? So let's run this little program. So look at this. Double balance gives us 0.999999999999999. Not quite 1, right? And the decimal one gives us a balance of 1.0000000000000000000000002. A little bit more than 1. So you see that with the first method, you're going to be losing that fraction of a penny that these guys discuss in the movie. So it's very important when dealing with money in C# that you use a decimal data type and not a double. Double is mainly used for scientific calculations. So to be precise, to don't lose any money, always go with decimal. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. All the best. Bye bye.